तो अस्सलाम वालेकुम। आज 9th चैप्टर जो अंडरस्टैंडिंग वर्क टीम इसके बारे में। तो गुड मॉर्निंग एवरीवन। टुडे आई एम गोइंग टू प्रेजेंट चैप्टर 9 अंडरस्टैंडिंग वर्क टीम। A work team is a group of people with complementary skill who work together to achieve common goal. Unlike a work group, a team creates positive synergy, meaning that team performance is greater than the sum of individual effort. And why are team importance? The team have become popular because they improve productivity, encourage creativity, increase flexibility, and help employer participate in decision making. They also solve complex problems more effectively than individuals. Type of work team, there are four main type: problem solving team, self management team, course functional team, and virtual team. तो सबसे पहले प्रॉब्लम सॉल्विंग टीम जो है डिस्कस एंड इम्प्रूव वर्क प्रोसेस, and second self managed team manage and supervise their own work. Or next cross functional team bring together members from different department. Virtual team work from different locations using technology. Some organization also use multi-team system where several team coordinate to achieve on common object. उसके बाद क्लासिफिकेशन characteristic of effective team. An effective team need adequate research, good leadership, trust among member with the right skill, clear job goal, strong communication, team cohesion and cooperation. How to build team players? Organization can create effective team player by selecting people with both technical and interpersonal skill, and second providing teamwork and communication training, and then rewarding corporation and team performance instead of only individual achievement. When should you use team? Should we use team? The team should be used by complex tasks that require collaboration and share responsibility. For simple tasks that can be complete independently, individual work is often more efficient. तो इसका जो लास्ट कंक्लूशन to conclude, work team are essential for modern organization. When supported by trust, effective leadership, and clear goal, team can achieve better result than individual work alone. However, organizations should use team only when teamwork trust truly adds value. Thank you so much. Assalamu alaikum.